One of my favorites, 65 GTO. I personally own several of these and I love them. This one here is about as nice as they get. It's a complete nut and bolt body off frame restoration, just finished 2 years ago, about a year and a half ago actually. It's phenomenal. There's a tri-power under the hood, a 4-speed sitting in the console, a posi in back, documented with the Pontiac Historical service documents. They made an accurate reproduction window sticker built in Fremont, California, and it also has the Protecto plate, which verifies this is the motor that came with this car. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 to 225 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a monthly payment and a price tag, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. The body is outstanding. I mean, it's better than it was when it was new. Literally every square inch of everywhere you look is absolutely straight. It is a turquoise mirror. So you got the GTO hood scoop, you got the nice line on top of the fenders here, and this is a long, straight body. The panels are straight, and it is straight. The gaps are right on the money. The doors open and close. Look at the jambs, all beautiful. Shuts like a new car. No vinyl top, just Reef Turquoise, the original color. Now these are big flat quarter panels. When I was having one of mine restored, he said he had to actually brace it with 2x4s, so when he's sanding it, it wasn't like bowing. But anyway, these are absolutely straight. All the lines, everything fantastic. This is as good as it gets. I don't see anything to complain about. If you're really fussy on body and paint, you're going to love this one. All the lines are nice and straight and crisp, and gaps are right on the money. The jambs are as slick as the outside. The whole body was glass bead blasted down to bare. And a California car lived on the West Coast up until 2024 when it was restored. And again, the body is phenomenal, so is the paint. It does have some small metallic in the paint, all laid out evenly, no blotchiness, and the clear coat is polished like glass everywhere. Really, I didn't see anything to turn me off. It's fantastic. So it has the stacked headlights and all the chrome, the grills, the bumper, all that looks beautiful. Has the correct original antenna. The glass is all real nice and clear. The stainless moldings are all nice and shiny. A few pimples on the vent window frame right here. Emblems, rocker moldings, door handles, rain gutters, all that's looking real nice. Has Rally 1 wheels with the reproduction gold line tires. There's so few of miles on this car. Still has all the nubs on the tread. Now, gold line tires were available in 65 and 66, so that could be a correct option for this car. Now back here, the tail lights and the tail panel, beautiful. So is the bumper. Pretty sleek tail lights. They don't really stand out, but they're very sleek and maybe as bright as you'd like them to be, but they work fine. But I love the tail lights on these cars. It's got optional reverse lights, optional mirror. It has the mirror package. It's the remote. Why don't we open it up? I got a lot more to show you, including the tri-power. All right, let's see what the trunk compartment looks like. Like brand new. Look at the bottom side of the trunk lid. Glossy, has the decals. Inside is spotless metal with a nice, neatly applied gray spatter finish. His new trunk mat. Another tire, it's never been used. This is a white lettered Firestone tire. Painted rim, got the complete jack assembly. Weather strip is replaced. Clean and complete. Believe it's original quarter panels too. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. Yeah, those jams are better than nice. They're outstanding, glossy. Weather strips, sill plates are replaced. Now they mentioned this is an original interior. I can't verify that, but it's really nice. The door panels look new to me, so do the armrests for sure. And then here's a nice clean dash. I like how the key is way over here. I used to just reach in and start mine, but mine was an automatic. You don't want to do that with the stick shift. But very clean instrument panel. The wood grain's real nice. Has a working clock. All stock. The cigarette lighter, the radio, the heater controls, and everything's painted real nice. This is correct. Like a satin finish up here so you don't get glare, but the lower section is shiny. You got the grab handle. It says GTO. Nice clean glove box. Kick panels are real nice. Turquoise carpet's fresh. Has a 4-speed console in real nice shape with a Hurst shifter. Now the seats, I mean, they're not ripped or torn or anything like that, so don't take it the wrong way, but they got a little bit of patina where maybe they are original. That's what the restorer of the car said, but they're in great shape. Seat belts were optional in 65. Carpet's real nice back here. Same thing with the seat, just enough patina, but no tears or anything like that. And the side panels and armrests all looking real good and tidy. The rear mesh shelf and all the trim is real nice. Headliner's looking very good. A little mark right there on the headliner, a little stain or something, but this is all real nice. The light works. Now I told you it has the mirror package, so it has the vanity mirror, and it has the day and night mirror, and then the remote mirror on the door. And I'm sure this is reproduction. It looks brand new. The deluxe steering wheel. Yeah, pretty outstanding interior. Most importantly, it's got a 4-speed. Now this is the original motor. They didn't have matching numbers in 65. You could just match the dates and the codes. But because we have the Protecto plate, there's a number on the Protecto plate that's on this engine that does, excuse me, match this engine to this car. So original motor, the tri-power setup, all completely restored and authentic. This was just put on the car. It runs off the center one, and then when you floor it, it'll open up the linkage to the other two, and you feel it. When all of those open up and it takes off, you'll hear it, you'll feel it. This is washer fluid concentrate to go in the washer fluid bottle. You mix it with a little water. See, it has the dust shields, stickers, GM hoses, the right clamps. Look how everything's so clean and painted, the proper colors, highly detailed. Up here, the metal is spotless. Everything's painted beautifully. The cap, the shroud, the fan, all looking real nice. Spring clamp battery cables, the wiring, the alternator, battery cables, master cylinder, everything looks spotless in here. Same as the underneath, which we'll talk about in a minute. Look how nice that is. Michael's going to show you how nice it functions, and we'll see in a few minutes. Underneath this car, holy cow, it is detailed, it is fresh, it's beautiful under this car. They took the body off the frame, like I said. The floors are just immaculate. The braces, the inner rockers, all prepped and painted like a nice semi-gloss black. The frame and suspension components were also glass bead blasted. A lot of it was powder coated, some of it was painted, but in any case, it's all beautiful. All of the suspension, front and back's been rebuilt, the shocks, the springs, the steering. GTOs do come with a little different springs and shocks. Correct dual exhaust with the right mufflers, and even has resonators in the tailpipes. Brakes, they got big thin drum brakes. E-brake is all hooked up, brake lines, all that stuff is there and proper. The fuel system was replaced, including the tank. It's shiny. You look up at the motor, it's still like brand new. And all stock, there's no aftermarket, high torque starters or nothing like that, or QA1, it's stock. Has the correct 4-speed transmission. It was born a 4-speed car. And in back, it's a 323 safety track. That's their version of the posi rear end. And again, complete nut and bolt detail restoration under there. This body and paint second to none. And fantastic 65 GTO. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer your questions like how to get your GTO home before I decide to put it in my home. And if you need financing, we can help with that too. Thanks for watching.